Welcome back to Atomic Bytes, and in this episode we're going to look at build settings so we can switch from our first level to our second level of our box collecting project we've been working on. So I want you to go to build settings from file, go up to file, select build settings, and if you want you can switch it to WebGL. It's up to you on what you want for an export route, but up here on this button, add open scenes, you can click on that if your scenes are not there, and it should add your level 1 and 2 scenes like it did mine and populated them there. So make sure you save that so that you can test it and play it, and of course save those build settings as well. But we're going to play it and test it out by collecting our 4 boxes. If you'll remember, we had 4 boxes on level 1, and we want to collect and destroy these and get a point for each one of these. And then after we collect 4 of them, the second scene should load according to our script. So that's what this is testing. It's testing to see if your second level will load and kind of where it spawned you in. So notice it collected the 4th box, it loaded level 2. So we've got a different arrangement, and in my level 2 I hid some boxes around. This one's behind the wall, but that's how your game should work if your script is working how it should.